affordable school makeup look. Since it's already January and actually almost Feb na nga, pero naisip ko na dahil tapos na yung holidays, yung mga students babalik na sa online class. So naisip ko lang gawin yung look na to para sa mga students na gustong mag-makeup or mag-ayos for their online classes. And without further ado, let's start! First, I'll be using this iWhite BBholic Everyday BB Cream in the shade Beige. So I decided to use a BB cream lang since mas lightweight talaga siya compared to a foundation. And since school makeup naman to, I think hindi naman need talaga na mag-super full coverage na foundation. And I think enough na yung ganitong coverage lang ng BB cream para lang mas matakpan yung mga blemishes natin and yung mga dark spots o kaya yung redness ng face. And para lang mas magmukhang maayos and prepared for online class. Sa akin, okay na yung ganyang coverage pero it depends pa rin talaga sa inyo guys. If you prefer to use a foundation, okay lang din naman yun. And kung ikaw yung tipo ng tao na pinagpala na makinis talaga and wala ka namang mga dark spots and blemishes, and may mga high school and senior high din na wala pa namang mga dark under eyes, you can use concealer na lang din if you want. So next, magpa-powder na tayo and I'll just be using my Nichido Final Powder. Pero you can use naman any powder that you have, kahit yung mga compact form or kahit BB powder lang, okay na yung mga best. Ang importante naman, maset nyo yung face nyo, maset nyo yung nilagay nyo na foundation or BB cream or concealer. Brows, gagamitin ko lang my EB Advanced Eyebrow Kit. Dito naman sa brows, kahit gumamit lang kayo ng mga pencil na pangkilay, pwede na rin yun since hindi naman natin kailangan talagang mag-on-flick brows since school makeup naman to. Pero like I said nga, nasa inyo pa rin naman yun. If gusto nyo talaga mag-on-flick brows, wala namang problema dun. May pimple pa ako dyan mga best. Ewan ko, pagkagising ko lang kanina, mayroon na talaga. So, hayaan na natin siya dyan. Okay na ako dyan sa brows ko and now magka-curl na ako ng lashes and maglalagay ako ng mascara and I'll be using this Maybelline Total Temptation na waterproof mascara. Ang paglalagay ng mascara guys, optional na lang din to kasi kahit mag-curl lang naman kayo ng lashes, pwede na rin yun. Or if prefer nyo na mag-falsies, okay lang din naman. Maglalagay lang talaga ako ng mascara para magmas mukhang awake and hindi tayo masabihan ng mga teachers or prof na bakit ka inaantok sa klase niya. Ayan, di ba makikita niyo naman yung difference between the two nung nakapaglagay na ako ng mascara dito sa other side, mas mukhang bright and awake yung eyes ko compared dito sa isa na wala pang mascara. Now, I'm done with the eyes and maglalagay na tayo ng blush. And I'll be using this Nichido Powder Blush in the shade Cool Rum. You can use any blush that you have or pwede rin kayong mag-use ng mga lip and cheek tint. What I like about this blush is it's not too pink and it's not too red then. Actually, it's peach color. So, perfect lang talaga siya for everyday use, especially if you're a student pa. It's not yung super pakak talaga na blush on, which I think is good for online classes. Or even sa face-to-face classes naman, although I don't think may university or school na nagpapa face-to-face classes na. Meron na ba? Hindi naman siguro tayo mga COVID tips dito, diba? So for the last one, I'll just use this Maybelline Powder Matte Lipstick in the shade Touch of Nude. Lipstick because aside from lightweight siya, very nice din yung shade niya. Parang light nude pink lang siya, so it's not on your face talaga, ganun. And perfect siya for everyday use, parang my lips but better lang. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. And if meron kayong comments, suggestions, violent reactions, anything, i-comment nyo lang lahat yan sa comment box below. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!